Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm at the Walmsley Sanctuary Bird Reserve in Cornwall, down near Weybridge at Chapel Amble. It's a private reserve owned by Devon Birdwatching and Preservation Society, so you need to be a member. Just knock the camera over. Not a good idea. It's only about £20 a year to join, and it's a fantastic reserve. It's turning up all sorts of surprises, has done over the years. So it's wetland, reed bed, and we've seen Marsh Harrier this morning, red kite, quite a few ducks about, gadwall, tufted duck, lots of mallard with broods, about 11 ducklings, pair of swans with 6 cygnets. So yeah, it's been good so far, but what I'm really hoping for is Hobby, the summer migrant, lovely little falcon. It's been seen here, there's one record of it this year so far. It was seen quite regularly last year, so keeping my fingers crossed for that one. But yeah, it's a lovely day, hot, so we'll see what we can see. So I've had Marsh Harrier coming in 2 or 3 times hunting. Fantastic. I think it's a young female, but still no hobby. Keeping our fingers crossed. And we're shooting on aperture priority, mostly for still shots. Letting the ISO do the auto. And it's coming in really, the ISO's coming in. I mean, it's good light, it's consistent light, so it's coming out in between 100 and 300. And any action shots, we're switching to program mode, which I've got on at 2,000th of a second auto ISO. Trying to freeze those shots. But I think we've got some good ones of the Marsh Harrier. So we'll keep going a little bit more, fingers crossed for the hobby. there we are, going to call it a day. A lovely few hours here this morning. Sadly no hobby. Maybe next time, but it's been thoroughly enjoyable all the same. The Marsh Harrier was brilliant, and swans and the cygnets, beautiful. Fantastic hide, tower hide up high, very much worth the membership fee. There are other reserves within the group as well. I'll put a link to their website in the description so you can have a look at that. But yeah, lovely morning. It's only a short one today. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope to see you in your next one. Thanks again.